Hello everyone, let me show you how to make okra soup, that Nigerian okra soup that you want to eat more with swallow. So let's start making it. This tastes amazing and actually this recipe is very good. So let's make it. After seasoning your protein, any protein of your choice, can be turkey, it can be chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and add my dry fish into it. This okra soup is very fast and is very easy to cook, and you do not have to uh, start frying or anything. This is how my grandmother likes it. So I'm going to go ahead and add iru, which is locust beans. This is very common with we Nigerians. So I'm going to add my blended habanero. Then I'm going to go ahead and add extra water to cook our dry fish with our protein. Then cover this and cook. Just give it a quick mix to combine your habanero with your sauce. So I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Then we'll come back and add our cut okra. After 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add my cut okra, which is my, you can grate it, you can do anything you like with it. I like my okra this way. It makes it very easy and it tastes very amazing when you eat it with swallow. You feel like eating more of this Nigerian okra soup. I really enjoy it. Then I'm going to combine it with my sauce. Actually, as I said, you do not need to fry this okra soup and it tastes amazing. You do not need to add extra seasoning or extra salt. With the protein seasoning that you have already added is perfect with this okra soup. So I'm going to go ahead and add palm oil. If you don't want to add palm oil, feel free to skip it, but this okra soup really calls for palm oil. You are going to enjoy this homemade Nigerian okra soup. It takes less than 45 minutes to prepare this. It all depends on the protein that you are using. Then remember to stir your palm oil with your protein, which is your okra, and cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes, and your soup will be ready in the next 2 to 3 minutes. Please do not forget to give our video a like, leave down a comment in the comment section if you have any question about this okra soup. If you want to see full recipe on how I season my protein, you want to see, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave down a comment in the comment section. Tell me that you want to see more of my Nigerian soup, then I'm going to share more with you. After 3 minutes, this is ready. So I'm going to serve it. I'm eating it with semo. If you want to know how I prepare my semo too, please do not forget to let me know in the comment section. I'm going to share a recipe on that. So I'm going to serve my soup. You can see it looks very amazing. Then I'm going to enjoy this okra soup. I can't wait to taste it. Please do not forget to leave down a comment in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel to get updated of my new video. Let me taste this. I can't wait. My mouth is watery. You can see, oh my god, this tastes amazing. Thanks so much for watching my Nigerian Okra Soup. Please leave comments if you want to see more. Hope to see you again.